Mia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby, hi, doll baby, hi, doll baby, hi, doll baby, hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a wig review, and it's going to be this beautiful girl. And so let's talk about who it is, because that's what you came for. This is Janet Collection's Mia, and it's part of her Color Me line, and I have her in the color Autumn Orange. Okay, it says Mia is heat safe up to 360 degrees. She has a 6-inch deep lace parting. It is a lace front wig. She comes in a few different colors and some of these like really interesting color mixes, hence the Color Me line. She is I'd say this was not a very large wig cap. I didn't really tighten her. I am wearing a wig grip. I am wearing a wig grip, but it is, you know, it's snug, it's secure for me. But I wear sort of an average size cap, so I would say it's probably not going to go too much larger for someone who is looking for that. So this is all the hair to the front. She's got a beautiful like taper at the end. I'm 5'6.5", and I'm putting her in the, for curly, 26 I'd say. 26 at the very longest. I love this color, this autumn orange. You know, I've been really liking copper lately. So I think this copper sort of darker ombre to the light is really, really pretty. This would be great for fall. Not that it has to be for fall, but she's, you know, a decent amount of hair. Very soft, a little bit of texture on it. I really love the curls. I did sort of brush out a little bit just to make it look a little more natural, but I feel like if you got this, curly synthetic wigs are difficult in general, but because of the way she's layered, if you can see, I feel like if she got a little bit ratty, you could definitely cut her like that length or even this length, and she'd be gorgeous. I had a wig from Janet Collection called Doris, and I will include her, where I wore her long and then I cut her up, and then, you know, she still looked great for quite a while. Lace front, I cut the lace. All I did was put some powder in the part. I'll have the clips of what I did. And I put a little bit of heat on her just because I felt like it just wasn't shaping to my head the way I wanted it to. Let's look at her from the back. The only thing I don't like is this. I don't like when like this dark rooting doesn't go all the way through, because it's just like this harsh, like all of a sudden underneath. It's not a huge deal, but I just feel like that's where things are going with wigs, and so maybe we should try to do that more. I'd say the luster is nice. It's giving me enough luster, but also a matteness that it doesn't look too shiny. Again, curly synthetic wigs are hard to keep together because when you sort of start working through it, you don't want it to get too tangled, but as you work the comb through it, it is going to sort of do more of this instead of this in terms of the curl pattern. So you just need to keep on it. This would be one that I probably wouldn't wear every single day, maybe just like a special occasion situation, but I think that the wig is beautiful. The curl pattern is stunning. That's just curly synthetic wigs in general. They don't last as long as ones that are more yucky textured and like wavy or straight. So that is what I have for you. Oh, no. I forgot to tell you where I got her. I scooped up Mia from Sam's Club for $21.99. So if you have this wig and you have thoughts, please go ahead and put them down below. If there's another Janet Collection wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and check out my Janet Collection playlist. And then if it's not in there, you can put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!